Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix video recording not working on H70 Fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart device, just click and hold power button and volume up button at the time. You will see and click on restart. After click on restart, after restarting, enter phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it is not solved, go to app library, scroll down to and click on settings. Now in settings, scroll down, and click on apps. After click on apps, click on see all apps. After click on see all apps, click on camera and click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system. After click on system and search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix video recording not working on H70 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.